welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the UK Royal Mail delivery requests online. So the first step is simply to have your something for you card ready. When Royal Mail attempts delivery but you're not home, you'll receive a something for you card, and this card includes a reference number, and also your name and address details, so keep it handy. Now we would like to visit the Redelivery page. You can go to the Royal Mail Redelivery page on their website. So let's say you can just go here to any browser that you want and just type Redelivery as example, Royal Mail. Just go and type that, okay? Like I typed mail wrong. And basically you will be taken to their website. So example here, you find sometimes you can deliver an item to you because nobody was there, and to sign in as example or to sign for it, or if it was too big for your letterbox, we know that you can't always get to your local delivery office to collect it, so we're happy to make redelivery for you. So it's free to your own address, and it's free to another address in your postcode area, or free to your local post office branch. So what you'll have to do, just go and click on book a redelivery, and here basically, do you have a reference number? If you don't, as an example, probably you will not be able to do it, but make sure of course to click on yes and enter the reference number. Of course, it's not impossible, but it will make it hard. So here then enter the reference number, and do you have more than one item redelivered? So if yes, just go and do so. If no, just go and do so. For example, just say we don't have the reference. If we're going to click on continue, we'll have to go and fill up some stuff. The same of course will be for if we do yes. So just go and enter your reference number, and they'll ask you basically after that for name and address or postcode, and then you'll have to click on continue to proceed, and then you'll have to choose your redelivery option. Royal Mail offers a redelivery to your home. It's going to be free within 18 days, and redelivery to a neighbor's example, it's also free, and redelivery to a post like office branch, and it's free, and if you collect this example in person as we saw before. So you can select also the redelivery dates. You can choose the dates at least 48 working hours after booking to allow processing or reprocessing. And once you finish, you will have to click continue. Once you click on continue, you'll have to click on confirm redelivery, and you will see a confirmation screen, and you will receive an email confirmation with the details. And of course, the redelivery will happen to the chosen date, and the item will be held at the post office for 18 calendar days if you're opts for branch collection. So yeah, that's how you basically request the UK Royal Mail redelivery online. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.